Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Test Code Flow. So this is my first video, and today in our first video we will understand about Playwright basic setup. What are the essential tools that we needed for the setup of Playwright. So let's move forward in it quickly. So first thing, what we need to install Node.js. So Node.js we can install from their official website nodejs.org. So I will show you. So this is the website nodejs.org. Here we have option get node.js. So you can see that you can select what is the system needs for you. Windows, Mac, Linux, what are the things you for what you needed node.js, and here you can come down and download the installer here. So by that you can install node.js in your system. So now what is the next step? For in second step we have to check that node.js is installed in our system or not. So for that there is a simple thing what you need to do. You can directly go to your cmd means command prompt, and there type this node -v or npm -v. You'll get node.js installed in your system or not. If you are not sure install or not, so you can go there and check if node.js is installed in your system or not. So third step here is to download Visual Studio Code. VS Code is Visual Studio Code. So for downloading we'll go to the official website of Visual Studio. So this is the Visual Studio Code. So you have to download this blue color. One is also there, Visual Studio, that is purple color, not that this one. So by coming in their official website, you can here also see that Mac, Windows, and according to your system needs, again you can install this in your system, Visual Studio Code, and after installing it will look like this is the Visual Studio Code UI. This will look like this. And now going to the next step, fourth step. Now you have to create your project for Playwright. So for creating the project, first thing what we will do, first we have to create a folder, right, in which folder you will create the project. So for that you can directly do this with your Visual Studio Code. How you can do this? We'll go to Visual Studio Code and see. Here we came here, as I written there. There is what we need to do. We can click Control plus backtick backslash or terminal plus after that new terminal. So we'll go to a Visual Studio Code and see what are the things here. See, here is terminal, and after that new terminal you can click. So by that terminal, see, terminal is opened here. This is the terminal. It is opened here, and what you can do, you can give these commands: mkdir playwright. Mkdir means you are starting a new directory in your system, that is playwright demo. You can give name this name you can give according to yourself. So I have written here playwright demo, and after that, after creating the directory in your system, we will start that directory. For that, starting that cd playwright, same thing, same name I have written here, what directory name I have given. So it will start the directory. And after that, step 5, what we need to do, we have to initialize a node.js project. We have to initialize node.js in that project. For that, initializing the node.js in the project, this playwright demo, what we will give this command into the terminal npm init. And after that, what is the last step, we need to install playwright. So uh, directly in your project, the project you are creating, in that there is a good thing here. We can directly give a simple command npm install -d @playwright test. When you will give this command now, here in your Visual Studio, in the terminal, here when you will give the command here, directly it will install the whole playwright project. It will install everything, essential things needed for playwright there. So uh, now if you want a full video, you can visit to my channel, and there you can find the full video for Playwright setup, and um, how to use Playwright, how to run script there, everything you can find there. So if you want more videos like QA related videos, you can follow for me. And yes, thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.